What if you could move from a simple humming of your song idea to a fully finished song in just a few seconds?
Concrete cold, same story, new block. Some get rid, most get watched. Yeah. It's a chokehold on the corners, title when the bills late, old head warners. Told my friends I'm doing fine. Change my hair, change my routine, but every song inside this bar.
Today's video is sponsored by Musicful AI, an innovative AI music platform that helps you create everything from music to AI generated music videos. So with the rise of AI music generating platforms, the question isn't just whether AI can make music, but which platform can truly deliver music that's usable by producers or anyone wanting to create music for their own satisfaction. Today we're going to test and explore how far Musicful AI can really go. It promises not only to generate music from humming and text, but also to let you download individual AI stems of the song, giving you the flexibility to use them in your DAW. Musicful AI is available both on the website or on the mobile app, both Android and iOS. So once you're on the platform, this is what you see right here. So before we can even start generating and making our own music, let's listen to some of the songs that are made here.
I'm running wild, can't hold me back. Feel the rhythm, feel the track. Suno looking down, flashing lights all around.
Alright guys, let's just get straight into it. Click make music. We've got the lyrics, description and audio right here. For those of you that have used other platforms, you are familiar with the text to song, right? Where you just put in your lyrics, the style, then it generates a song for you. So let's start with my personal favorite first, then we'll come back to the text and show you how it works. Audio right here. Guys, you can use a reference audio or you can record right here. So I'm going for some kind of energetic rap song, and I'll try to make a simple humming of the song. Okay, I think that's enough. Then I'll just click save and here it comes. Alright guys, so my recording is here. In order for me to turn this into a song, now I need to come here, click there and go to extend. It will come to this section right here. The AI has given me a song style. I don't think I want to go with this. I'll put mine something short. I'm just going to say energetic rap song and just choose down here. So rap, energetic. I can also come to the lyrics here. I'm not trying to create an instrumental. So right here, you can choose whether you want to create instrumental or just a song. So for now, I want us to create a song from this humming right here. Here you can choose which version. So version 1 here uses 10 credits per song. The other versions use 15 credits per song. So we're going to go with version 2 right here, which is the most recent. On the lyrics, I'll just say write lyrics for me. So I'm basically going to describe it like a rap song about struggles in the hood. Write. Alright, so we've got the lyrics down here. It has given us a song title. Let's go to extend. Alright, so we've got a song here. Let's just listen to Struggles in the Hood.
Concrete cold, same story, new block. Some get rid, most get watched. Yeah. It's a chokehold on the corners, title when the bills late, old head warners. Lil' man, it's the kill state. Kids play tag by the precinct gate. Ay, mama pray rent, daddy pray on fate. Whole block hustle off borrowed time.
Wow, that's great right there. The sound quality is amazing. And then one thing I didn't notice is I had written Struggles in the Hood. Let's listen to the other one because it gives us two songs.
Same story, new block. Song get rich, most get washed. It's a chokehold on the corners, title when the bills late, old head warners. Little man, it's the kill state. Kids play tag by the precinct gate. Mama pray rent, daddy pray on faith. Whole block hustle off borrowed time. Every hand shake feel like a dotted line. Whispers in the hallway, keep that low. Every move mapped out like tic-tac-toe. They lace their help with a hidden cost. Take one favor, have your freedom. Strangers in the hood, they squeeze so slow. You don't feel nothing till you can't.
Wow, this is one of the best platforms that I've seen creating songs like this. So you could basically publish this song here by clicking that. You can also download the stems. You can go to get stems, multi-track stems, or vocals plus instrumental. So for multi-track stems, you can extract up to 12 individual vocals and instrumental stems. Let's click on this. Alright guys, so just like that, we've got the stems right here. Let's just go straight and download these stems. Choose MP3 or WAV. So obviously you download stems with WAV and go to download all. Alright guys, so you can see the stems are downloading right there. We'll get back to them shortly. Let's explore what else we can do here. So if you want the MP3, you can download it right here, MP3 WAV or MIDI. Let me just remove everything that I had here. The first one we did was using audio or just humming your vibe. So now this is a style where you just enter the lyrics. Let's try to create something like R&B. Here we can select R&B here, something emotional and energetic, that combination. We can also come to the lyrics and just say a song about failing to move on after a heartbreak. Write the lyrics. You can choose the gender. Okay, let's just say male. So the song is here right now, the verse and stuff like that. If you want to edit, you can edit through and do whatever you want to do. So for the title, it says Stuck on Your Street. Anyway, let's just go and create song. Alright guys, so we've got a quick song from a text prompt. Let's just listen to these songs.
Swore I'd clean you from my room. Boxed up pictures. Left that sweater on the chair. Just in case I miss you. Told my friends I'm doing fine. Change my hair, change my routine. Swore I'd clean you from my room. Boxed out pictures. Left that sweater on the chair just in case I miss you. Told my friends I'm doing fine. Change my hair, change my routine. But every song inside this bar keeps saying your name to me. I keep failing to move on. Still set my clock to when you call. Yeah, I lie and say I'm strong. I'm staring at the door like you're walking at.
Honestly, it's good. Just when you thought it was over, you can actually generate an AI video of your song. We come here, AI music video. We click on that, choose the video type. Let's go with singing. Main character, you can see I can only see 2 here. So let's upload a photo of me and see what it makes out of that. So I'll click on that, a photo of me, this one right here, open. And then it says describe video concept. I'm going to make the video of that rap song that we made. So I'll just say guy walking and rapping in the hood with some chaos going on. Here you can choose the aspect ratio. We need to choose the song right here. So we're going to go with that rap song, which is struggles in the hood. Then it will come here. Then we can choose a section. Let me see how much we can make an entire video of this. So I just want something real quick. So I'll get that. So I'll create this. So it comes here. This may take a few minutes. Alright, so our video is done.
Daddy pray on faith. Whole block hustle off borrowed time. Every handshake feel like a dotted line. Whispers in the hallway, keep that low. Every move mapped out like tic-tac-toe. They lace.
The video is actually fire, guys, even though there's a little bit going on with my face right there, which needs a bit of improvement for them, but I can drop this type of video like a visualizer or something like that. Alright guys, so now I'm inside Pro Tools and I've dropped some of the stems from the song that we made. and this is what it sounds like.
Same story, new block, song get rich, get washed. It's a chokehold on the corners, title when the bills late. Old head want us, little man, it's the kill state. Kids play tag by the precinct.
Alright guys, so I'll leave the link in the description. You go and try this too for free. I think you can generate about 2 songs on the free plan on the website. Just go there, explore it and experience it for yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.